everybody, it's Devin with Smoky Mountain Traders. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at this 65 Chevrolet Corvette. Now this car has had a complete frame-off restoration and also features the L79 matching numbers engine. Now if you've got any questions on this car, don't hesitate to give us a call. You can also shoot us an email. But for right now, once you come on up, we'll take a closer look. Now across the front, you can see that the bumper was replaced at the time of the restoration. You'll also notice that we've got the hidden headlights that are working as they should. You can see that the hood has an excellent fit and that all the gaps are even and symmetrical. Now the same can be said as you look down the driver's side. You'll notice that the gaps are even and symmetrical at the door. And obviously you can see these body lines flow seamlessly from the front to the back. Now this car is finished in the Goldwood Yellow, which is the factory color scheme for it. It also has a black convertible top, which was replaced new. Now before we go around the rest of it, I want you to come on up, we'll take a look at the interior. As you can see here on the inside, it's done in the black, which is the factory option as well. All the seats were redone and you can see they're finished out beautifully. Carpet was redone as well. The door panels, they're in excellent condition along with all the trims and the knobs. Now when you look across the dash, you can see that all the gauges are beautiful. They are working as they should, and of course you can notice that we've got the wood steering wheel along with having the 4-speed shifter here in the middle. Now in the back cargo area, it's just as nice as the front, and as you can see, this area right here all fits seamlessly all the way around. Now that we've checked out the interior, we'll work our way the rest of the way around. Out back, you'll notice we've got a new antenna along with a new fuel door. You'll also notice that both bumpers are just as beautiful as the front. All of your lenses and your bezels are in excellent condition, and of course we've got new emblems here, just like it says, Stingray. Now as we make our way around the passenger side, you'll notice this car has a beautiful stance. It's finished out with the factory style knockoff wheels, along with having the bias ply gold line tires that really brings the whole look together. Now one of the most iconic things about this car is obviously the side pops, which is a factory option for the L79. Now this car here not only looks amazing, but it's also killer on the road. But before we get out there, why don't you come on up, we'll take a look under the hood. As you can see, everything here in this engine bay is beautifully detailed. All the bottom side of the hood's gorgeous, just like the inner fenders and the firewall, of course, as well. Now you can see the power comes from the matching numbers L79, so that's a 327, 350 horse option, which was very desirable in 65. You'll also notice that it's got power steering, which was the first year that it was optioned for the Corvette. This car is detailed out just like you'd look for in 65. So you've got the factory style Corvette fin valve covers, along with the original style intake and carb, along with the factory style air cleaner as well. This Corvette's really the total package. It's got a beautiful restoration done on it, while also featuring a power plant that you're going to love to drive on the highway. Now before we go any further, we want to get it out, drive it, that way you can really get a feel for what the car offers on the highway. And then remember, if you've got any questions about it, don't hesitate to give us a call or shoot us an email, and we'll talk to you here soon. As you can see, this Corvette, it goes through the gears just as smooth as you could ask for. Clutch has plenty of life. Obviously, as we shift, you can feel there's plenty of power there. And then obviously the engine's very responsive. You can see your gauges are working as they should be. Now one of the beautiful things about East Tennessee is we got some straight roads, but most of them are old back roads. So we'll take this Corvette through some turns, and that way you can see how good she handles. Obviously having the power steering option is a great thing for this Corvette. As you can see, the motor's healthy, has a great sound to it. But even more impressive than that is just the ease at which this car handles. You really couldn't ask for a better restored vehicle. Nice little straightaway. We'll open it up a little bit. One of the other good things about having a fully restored car is obviously the brakes and everything have been gone through on this car as well. As you can see, as we come to a complete stop, she's holding true all the way through. So we get ready to pull back in the lot, just remember, if y'all have any questions, just feel free to give me a call anytime. You can reach me at 865-988-8088, or you can send me an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now this 65 Corvette, you'll be able to find it on our website, SmokyMountainTraders.com, along with all the rest of our classics that we have in stock. Hopefully we'll be able to see you soon, and we'll talk to you then.